Our first step to install Python Anaconda is to search for Anaconda Python in our favorite search engine. One of the first links that should show up is for the individual edition. Go ahead and click the link. It will take you to a download page. From there, it's just downloading the installer. Feel free to close out the box to register and create any account. After downloading the installer, go ahead and open it. Click through the first few pages of the installer by agreeing to any licensing terms. On the next page, you'll be asked, where do you want to install Anaconda? Now, you have two options. You can install it for an individual user, or you can install Anaconda for all users on the machine. One advantage of installing it for an individual user is that each user on the computer can manage and maintain their own version of Python. This is useful if you ever download packages that might get updated. If another user updates a package without you knowing it, it's possible, although rare, that your code might not function anymore. For that reason, it's generally a good idea for each user to manage their own Python installation. After clicking Continue, you can begin the installation process. Depending on your machine, this might take anywhere from just a couple minutes to about 20 minutes. If you happen to get any pop-ups, go ahead and just click OK. With that, your installation is complete. Go ahead and click the Continue button and then close out the installer.